Ne kup.
A?
Ne kup.
Et skaties kā vajag. Ai, tieši es nevarēju nopelnīt. Man te viss pofīgi. Varēks izliet.
Что такое любовь, когда тебе 18? Твои ВП, закрытым шелковым платьем, соленые поцелуи, пропущенные от батьки. Я не знаю, мне 20. Солнце не тяну и боятся, бывает на свете выходит, и так и не подписаться, набрать на бывшую тёлку, можешь с ней напугаться. Я не знаю, мне 20. Мы могли бы стать парой года на обложке журналов моды. Ты был таким свежим, стильным, ярким, как из голливудских фильмов. Подарил бы крыло в магните, с бриллиантами похоронили. Я попала и уплыла, а потом тебя забыла. Что такое любовь, когда тебе 18? Смотри на пера, закрытых шелковых платьев, соленые поцелуи, пропущенные от батьки. Я не знаю, мне 20.
I don't know how many of you read descriptions, but if you read the description of the last video, you probably saw that an incident happened, and well, an incident indeed happened. Yeah, this looks absolutely beautiful. I just woke up. It is Thursday, and tomorrow is Friday, and tomorrow we already have stage 2 of of our winter forest insane fucking drifting. I have oh shit, I can open it. I should have done this earlier, but yeah, I bought this front frame because, well, it's gonna be bent, I know that, the bumper, and of course now I'm gonna have a bash bar as well. Should I have started quicker? Yeah, probably, but I wanted to sleep, so here we are. It is one day till we need to ride this thing again, and we somehow have to try and fix it. The first problem we have, I can't open the hood, so, well, yeah, this is fun. Oh my god, I did it, like, I don't know, 20 minutes later, I think I finally did it. Come on, come out. Ow, my back hurts so much. Okay, so what I did for this side, the left side I could open, or I mean that's the right side of the car. The thing is, you see that? I just took that and pulled it. That side was easy. This one was harder. For this, you can see the mechanism. Fuck, if only you could see something in the dark. You can see it right under here, you see? Right next to the hook. That thing is the latch mechanism, and I took a flathead screwdriver and I started prying on it, and then yeah, it's gonna open now. There's the hook is still getting stuck, I'm pretty sure, but we should be good. Oh yeah, because I connected the LED bar like an idiot, and the hood doesn't really open with it connected, so we have to disconnect it now. If you're not on my time, then you get curved now. Pocket full of faces in it blue. Alright, start the car and I drop out the roof. I'm slide. Everything you said, it wasn't true. You lied. Call my phone and you wanted to scoop. You tried. Stop talking about the deals when you don't have a deal. Lying through your teeth so much you're thinking that it's real. I cut off the loose and so now everything is sealed. I dump off a bag and let my baby count the bills. Bada, bada, bing. Catch me riding clean, not the paint, but the slips. Got 'em, I can't have no leans. Worry about the scene, like your life is a scene. Go hard and stay humble, can't let nothing come between. I'ma get that check like I never did before. Then I'ma spend that check like I never did before. Ride off in that vet like I never did before. Yeah, I'ma leave it wet like I never did before. I do everything like it's the first time. Told you what it was, I know you heard now. I do everything like it's the first time. If you're not on my time, then you get curved now. Not a baby, but I stay right with a bop. Always drop. They were talking about me falling, all like, ooh, can I stop? I've been talking about the top. My top is now your top. I got business overseas and it's coming by the flop. I started from the bottom, like Patrick with the rock, or Stockton with the rock. I'm too jelly with the rock. Hey, I'm thinking out the box. From New York, no Millie Rock. From New York and not the rock. But that Yankee on my top, and I'm cool like a breeze. Blessed like a sneeze, so you mentioned.
Now I kinda understand why this thing failed. Because you can see that someone... Oh, come on, focus. Come on. Can you see that? Someone already had welded this thing. You can see the dots here as well, so... By the looks of it, this is not the first time this thing of the frame rail. Was this called frame rail? It's not the first time it has failed, so yeah, I just cleaned it up a bit and I'm gonna try to weld it on some spots. Dot welding, spot welding, whatever, call it what you want, and I think we should be safe to go to our next race with this bash bar.
This the anthem. If you rockin' with it, put your hands up. Yeah, this the anthem.
I'm pretty much done with the welding. Not perfect, as always, because I'm not really a welder, but for a winter beater, this will do, because now it's actually in place, and I think it will definitely hold, and well, if the crash is big enough for it not to hold, well, then it's just not meant to be, and the whole car is just gonna go to fucking... I forgot the name. Well, basically the car is gonna go to forks and spoons. Let's start assembling. Let's go.
Like we got a big rig, it's getting serious. I know you're curious. Took some losses through the process, had me furious. But I got eyes on the vision, can't get delirious. Fall in love with the game and then you marry it. I think I married it. This the anthem. If you rockin' with it, put your hands up. Yeah, this the anthem. If you get up and get it, put your hands up. Yeah. For the winners if you with me, yeah. Hands up in the sky if you feel me, yeah. This one for the winners if you with me, yeah. Hands up in the sky if you feel me, yeah. It's the anthem. If I give you my word, that's what I stand on. Loyalty and trust is what I stand on. Family and love is what I stand on. If it's love, I gotta tag it. Started from the mud, I just need a traction. Started with a buck, now I tell him label match it. Yeah, I've been my own boss, I took that leap of faith. Yeah, I really dove off, nothing I need to say, I let the word show off. For my kids I go hard, gotta go hard. This the anthem. If you rockin' with it, put your hands up. Yeah, this the anthem. If you get up and get it, put your hands up. Yeah. This one for the winners if you with me, yeah. Hands up in the sky.
Yeah, taking my life, thinking it's right. Switching and missing the points of the tight. Watching the thoughts in the back of my mind. Telling that I know for fact that they mine. I walk with your photo. Take money from the locked door. Bitch, move back what you paid for. Swing it down, no other way. Negative in the glass shade. I come with the landscape. I run with the wrong day. Me bitch, then I wait outside. Me shit that I never